So the big takeaway from all our research here is, well, it's pretty clear. AI is moving from being just a fast assistant to something more.
Oh, much more. A virtual partner, really.
Exactly. And that's the major shift we need to unpack today. We're going beyond, basic intelligent help to explore how AI is becoming truly autonomous and adaptive. Okay, let's dive into that. The transition is profound, isn't it? We're leaving behind what you could call reactive AI.
Right, the kind that only responds when you give it a command.
Yeah, and we're moving squarely into proactive AI. These new systems, they're context-aware. They seem to anticipate your needs based on these huge data patterns.
And what's fascinating to me is how many systems are already doing this. They're optimizing outcomes without someone constantly checking in.
You mean like recommendation engines?
I mean, think about it. A recommendation engine basically curates your entire streaming experience for you. Or a logistics system rerouting trucks on the fly to save fuel. That right there is the foundation.
Okay, but hold on. If it's acting without constant input, how do we define that threshold? I mean, what makes it genuinely autonomous and not just a really advanced script?
That's the critical distinction. It really comes down to scope.
Scope.
Yeah. True autonomous AI operates with minimal supervision towards a really high-level goal. Think of setting the destination in a self-driving car. You don't tell it when to brake or turn.
It handles all the micro decisions itself.
Exactly. And to do that, it needs 4 key capabilities.
Which are? Because if I'm going to have an AI plan and execute tasks for me, it has to be reliable.
Of course. First is real-time decision-making. It has to evaluate multiple paths at once. Second is planning.
Breaking down a big goal into smaller steps.
Precisely. The ability to break a complex long-term objective into a sequence of actionable tasks.
And the other two?
Execution across different platforms, so using APIs, databases, other tools, and maybe most critically, self-improvement.
So it learns from its mistakes.
And its successes. It refines its own strategy for the future. We see this already in things like high-frequency trading algorithms and those massive AI-driven logistics networks.
And this is where it gets really interesting for me. Agentic AI. So if autonomy is independence.
Agentic AI is independence plus coordination.
Right. It's like a virtual team member, not just a smart tool. What makes it different?
It's all about working toward a complex goal and, coordinating. An agent doesn't just do one task. It might coordinate with other AI agents.
So one agent could do the research while another drafts a report.
Yes, and it uses external tools, APIs, and it can actually change its strategy mid-task based on new data it finds. It's a virtual employee that can research, analyze, and execute for you.
And the really important thing for our listeners is that this isn't science fiction. This is happening right now across industries.
Absolutely. In education, you have personalized learning paths and automated feedback that adapts to each student's pace.
And in healthcare, things like predictive diagnostics or AI-assisted treatment planning are becoming more common.
Then you look at business. We're seeing automated customer support that can handle complex problems with almost human-like reasoning. Or even AI project managers tracking deadlines for global teams.
It's amazing to think that the same core technology managing a supply chain is also personalizing feedback for a student.
It is.
If we connect this to the bigger picture, the future here is clearly augmentation, not replacement.
That's the human plus AI collaboration model. That's the key. Humans define the vision, the ethics, the creativity.
And the AI handles the grunt work.
The speed, the scale, the precision. Together you get this exponential jump in productivity that neither could ever achieve alone.
Okay, so this all sounds incredible, but with such a huge leap in capability, there have to be some major challenges, right? We have to manage this strategically.
Oh, absolutely.
Right.
There are serious concerns around data privacy, security, and the risk of becoming over-dependent on automation.
So we need guardrails.
Strong governance frameworks, yes. And transparent systems where we can actually understand the AI's reasoning. That's essential.
So wrapping this up, what does this all really mean for us?
It means AI is shifting from being just a tool to a strategic partner. And that raises a really important question.
Yes, it is.
As AI learns continuously and acts independently, what happens when these multi-agent AI ecosystems start to emerge? When they become capable of driving true innovation, their own R&D? What responsibilities must we embed in this new digital workforce to ensure it stays aligned with our values?